Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai tea bubble. It's very easy. Homemade. If you really love Thai tea the way I am, you can make at home. I'm gonna show you. So easy to make Thai tea bubble. Come on, let's go to do it. Okay, come with me. Alright. First, I'm gonna go ahead boil the bubble first. When you make a Thai tea, you have to boil the bubble first. Okay, about 20 minutes. Okay, this is bubble. This is bubble. It's called tapioca. Pearl, it's easy. You can go to the Asian market, they got it. And this is serving for one person or two. If you don't want too much, just one for the taste. So I'll just go ahead make like almost 2 people. First of all, I'm wait for my water boiling first. Then I'm gonna go ahead drop this bubble in there. Wait for water boiling. Okay, the Thai tea is gonna be this one Thai tea. This is Thai tea powder. You can go to Thailand market to buy this. It's very delicious. If you love Thai tea, doing Thai tea is make your day. So okay, I'm gonna show you how to make so easy at home and just every time you want it right there by your side. Okay, first I'm going to use condensing milk. I'm using a couple times. If you're not finished, always put refrigerators, always stay forever for you. Here equipment I have. This right here, equipment right here, okay? I'll show you how to do it. First I'm going to put condensing milk in here first. Okay, first I'm going to go ahead and put this condensing milk in here first. I'm going to put like 2 spoons because I want my condensed milk creamy and sweet. So you can put 2 spoons. Okay, right. Got 2 spoons here. Okay, condensed milk is already in, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the machine on top just like that. Machine on top. Okay, this Thai tea powder, you can go to a Thai market. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put. I'm gonna put 1 spoon, 2 spoons. I put 3 spoons, okay? Because I want strong Thai tea. 3.5 spoons. That's it. So I'm waiting for the water hot. When I put the 2 spoons, 3 spoons already, I'm gonna go ahead and put this, press it down right here. Just cut, make the water going down. Okay, wait for water hot so I can put the water in there. Okay, the water is boiling now. When you boil the bubble, you have to let the water boil because when you put this down, they won't stick together. Go ahead, drop it down just like that for 20 minutes and stir very well. Okay, stir. Okay, let it cook for 20 minutes. I will be back. Okay, Thai tea ready. The water boiling right now. Gonna go ahead and put the water in here. So easy. You can make just like one every time for you, just like that. So see it going down just like that. You see that? Okay, I'm waiting for the going down and I add on some more water. At the same time, right here the bubble, when they get hot, good hot right there, the bubble boil right on the top. When they rise up to the top like that, let them be. Okay, let them boil for 20 minutes and I will turn off. So why? Bubble boiling right now, go ahead, just make Thai tea. This is second time I put in here because you need more. Let it going down. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more water. Yeah, that's it. Okay, Thai tea is already going down to the bottom. Take off this one right here. This is no good. It's already gone. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir. See that? It's so easy, guys. If you're the lover Thai tea, you can make the way I make. You can use half and half. You can use creamy half and half, or you can use whole milk. If you don't want half and half, you can use whole milk, or you can use just a Thai tea by themselves. Squeeze the lime in and then put the sugar in there. That's it. There you have it. Thai tea ready. You can drink hot too if you love Thai tea. That's the way how you make Thai tea. It's so easy, guys. Okay, I'm waiting for my bubble boiling. So when the bubble boil, about 20 minutes later, then I will show you how to put them together. Okay, 20 minutes already done. I'm gonna go ahead, turn off the stove, turn it off, and when I turn it off, I have to cover this. Just stay there for 10 minutes, and the bubble will be nice and soft. Cover that up, okay? Alright, be back when after 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes went by, so the bubble ready. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this bubble. Go ahead, clean up until they clear. Okay, the bubble clear now. Clean up very well. Okay, go ahead, put it here. I'll put it here. Okay, bubble ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the cup right here. So easy, guys. See that? Beautiful, right? Okay, Thai tea ready to go. 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons. You can put how much you want. If you love the bubble, you always put a whole lot in there. You ready to bubble first, okay? So put a lot in there so we have good time to eat and drink. Alright, this is the ice. I love my drinks very cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all the ice in here. Go ahead, fill up. This is Thai tea in here. Look at that guy. Oh my god, look at this. How good is that? Make at home, drink at home. Very good Thai tea. There you have it. This, if you use a bubble, you're gonna use the big straw, okay? Go ahead, put it on there. Just like that. Yum, look at guys. See that? There you have it, Thai tea, ready to drink. Very refreshing. Feels so good when you drink this. Awesome. Alright. Okay, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me. I'll show you more what I got. Thai tea done. Just finished. I'm gonna go ahead, enjoy this, my Thai tea right here. Cheers! Good Thai tea make at home. So good. In the heaven. Alright. So good, I cannot talk. So delicious. แซ่บหลายมาเด้อไทยทีเฮ็ดไทยทีอยู่บ้านง่ายๆบ่ได้ยาก Thank you guys for watching. If you very love Thai bubble, just go ahead and do it. It's so easy to make and make no time, just like that. So good, refresh and taste. They have caffeine too, okay? So good. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Okay guys, bye bye.